Hello people, come let's cook this. Got the egg sauce together. I have some chicken, turkey, my meat spices, powdered onion, pepper, garlic, ginger, seasoning powder, rosemary, turmeric. All the spices are there. Now I'll dice in my onion, and I also have one shallot that I will be adding into. So once that is done, I will add hot water from my kettle and I'll give it a quick stir. I will cover it and allow it to cook. So here it has been cooking. I added in my already cleaned garden egg or eggplant. I sprinkled some salt, some seasoning powder. I gave it a good stir. Guys, have you ever tried cooking your garden egg sauce this way? You know, cooking is experiment. I like experimenting. I cooked it like this and it came out good. So I cover it and I'll cook it. So here you can see it is cooked. So I will remove it from the gas cooker. I added in some olive oil, tomato, pepper, paprika, onion, rosemary. So yeah, I will mix properly. All my returnees, thank you. I see the like and the share. God bless you. So I added in my fish, and now I'll be pouring in the chicken, turkey, the eggplant that I've already pre-cooked. So I added it to my pan, and now I'm going to mix it properly. So this, guys, it came out yummy. You can pair it with yam, rice, plantain, cocoyam. Just continue to name them, guys. You can pair it with anything that you want to pair it with. If you are new to the channel and this is the kind of channel you're interested on, follow us, like and subscribe, turn on the post notification and be a member of the family. Feel free to check out other of my videos. I have earth recipe, cooking videos, family lifestyle. So I cover it and cook it for a while. So as you can see, guys, it is ready. I paired mine with yam and plantain. Feel free to check out my channel. May the Lord bless you. See you in my next video. Join the family. Enjoy. Bye.